Hello and welcome. Let's play Valerie on our guitars today. Throughout the video, I'll give you different strumming options so that you can find the one that matches your level best. Let's start at verse 1. And for this, we'll need chords D and E minor. The easiest of the strumming options is to count to 4 and strum on beat 1, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Switch to the next chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's say you want to do more, then you can do down strums on all of the beats like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Switch to the next chord. And doing these strumming patterns allows our fretboard hand to learn how to switch. Now let's say you want to do just a little bit more, add more of a groove to it, then you can do down, 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 up, down, 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 and switch to the next chord. And to count this one, we would say, let me switch to the D, ready, and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and I think this is the one that I'm going to be doing throughout the video. The last strumming pattern is pretty long, so let me play it first and then I'll come back and explain it. So I like to break this one down into 3 different parts. So the first part is down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. The next part is up, up. Up, up. And the last part is down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. So the first part, down, 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 up. 2 more ups. Up, up. And then the down, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. I have to admit that even though I love the sound of this one, once I start singing, I feel like I just fall off my bike, so to speak, when I try to play and sing at the same time. So I'm going to be playing the down, 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 down. This is much easier for me. So now let's get into playing the verse. If you hold a D chord and you pick on string 3, that will give you your singing note. Well, 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 sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water. So what I like doing when I'm first learning a song is just keep the strumming simple. And I think of all the things what you're doing. In my head I paint a picture. So let's try those lines and just keep the strumming simple. Singing note is right here. Sometimes let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Times I go out by myself and I look across the water. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And I think of all the things and what you're doing. In my head I paint a picture. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So do me a favor and memorize D, D, E minor, or delta, delta, echo minor, because that is the form that you need for all of the verses. If you can memorize that, then you can memorize the chords for all of the verses, which is really nice. So now let's try and play that same verse again, but let's add a strumming pattern that you've chosen. So I'm going to do down, 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 because that's the one that I can sing along to. Let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water. 3, 4. And I think of all the things and what you're doing. In my head I paint a picture. Okay, great. Great. Now let's go to the pre-chorus. For the pre-chorus, we will need chords G and F sharp minor. But this channel is geared for beginners and people just starting off, and the F sharp minor is not really a beginner chord. So let's find some options that will work instead of that F sharp minor. If you can do it, by the way, go for it. Now, the option that I will be doing is this one. It's like a chord A that I'm doing with middle ring and pinky. And I'm adding the index finger on the 2nd fret of string 6. And that's going to give me that F sharp that I need. So in context, it'll sound like this. And it sounds good, so it's a good option. Let's say that you're trying it and you think, Bernadette, my hand is just not letting that note ring. What's happening? 2 things that may be happening. 1, your nails might be just a little bit long. And this is one of those chords where if your nails are just a little bit long, it's not going to be forgiving. So pause the video, trim your nails, come back, and it should feel a lot better. I had to trim my nails right before this video because I was having that problem. The other problem that you could be having is that you are squishing your mouse. And what I mean by that is when we're playing our chords, imagine that your hand is supposed to make a house for a mouse. And if your thumb is all the way to the top, you're not making room for your mouse. You're squishing your mouse. So drop the thumb and wiggle around to make room for that A with the middle ring and pinky. Make sure there's a space for your mouse and have the index come in afterwards. So let's try switching from G to the F sharp minor or to this modification on beat 1. What I mean is doing this 1, 2, 3, then switch 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll do that back and forth. Get ready, take a breath. You got this. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, switch back to G for golf. 1, 2, next chord, ready, go. 2, 3, one more time. G. 1, 2, 3, ready, switch. 2, 3, pause, hold, freeze. The next chord is an A, so we only need to lift off the index finger. 2, 3, 4. So that's really nice that we have that option. So let's try switching from the G to the F sharp minor or modified on beat 1. Here we go. 1, 2, you can do it. Breathe, go. Since I've come on home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. 4, won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. 2, 3, 4, single strum. Why don't you come on over? Okay, so that single strum that I did a strum, and then on the next beat I muted the strings. But careful not to make it a slap because that may be too loud. So I'm just doing a mute with the soft part, like the palm of my hand. So strum and then stop. So let's try it again. If you're comfortable adding a strumming pattern, add it. And try to add that mute as well. I'll walk you through it. Here we go, breathe. 1, 2, G chord, ready, go. Since I've come on home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. G, won't you come on over? Stop making a fool of me. 3, 4. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? And now we can go to the chorus. But first, let's do this one more time. And let's add a strumming pattern. Oh, by the way, can you do me a favor and hit the like button or follow this page or write a comment? Let me know where in the world you're watching from. Anytime that you engage with the videos, it helps them perform better, reach more people, and it supports me as well. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let's go from the G. down, 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 down. I'm gonna add this strumming pattern. Down, 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 but my body's been a mess. Okay, let's try that. 1, you can do it. 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Since I've come along, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. One more time, G. Won't you come on over? We're making a fool out of me. Single strum. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Da, da, da. All right, so now let's go to the chorus. The great news is that when you get to the chorus, you're going to do the same thing that you did in the verses, which is D chord, E minor, and we repeat that. So let's try it. 1, 2, play with joy. 1, 2, ready, go now. And then here you would go into a verse, so it's nice that we continue that pattern. Did you have to go to jail? Put your house up on for sale. The rest of the song is a repetition of one of these 3 sections, so you already have everything you need to be able to play through this song. So let's do a verse, a pre-chorus, and a chorus all together so that we can see what that will feel like. Let's try it. Take a breath. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Let's play a D and E minor as an intro. Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water. And I think of all the things and what you're doing. In my head I paint a picture. Next section, ready, go. Since I've come on home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? So I'm making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Now I'm going to give you a little bit of homework for this lesson, and that's to review the G to the F sharp minor switch, and to do that without the strumming hand, because when you take the strumming hand out of the picture, it really allows for you to switch back and forth. The other thing is to do it without looking at the music or looking at the screen. Look at your fingers, because wherever your eyes are, your hand will follow. So that's Kit Kat. I don't know if you can see her. I don't think she's not in the screen. Come here, Kit Kat, so they can see you. So if you can practice the switch from G to that F sharp minor modified, or if you want to do a full F sharp minor and practice doing that without the strumming hand, that will really teach the muscle memory to your fretboard hands. That's my homework assignment for you. Other than that, I think you'll have a lot of fun playing this song. Please let me know if you play it for yourself, perform it for somebody. I'll be reading all of the comments. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope to see you in the next one. Ciao.